Welcome back friends to another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell about few keyboard shortcuts. So let's begin. The very first one is Windows plus E. So this is used for recent task preview. Suppose you have done any task, you have done any work and you are unable to find it. You press this key, your work will come out, recent task preview. And second is for Windows plus D. It is to minimize all the multiple apps. Third is Windows plus up arrow. So it is used for maximizing the using app, and here it comes Windows plus down arrow to minimize the using app. That was for maximize, sorry, and this is for minimize. Windows plus left or right arrow to split screen in right or left. Sixth point, Control plus Shift plus N. So this is used to create a new folder. And seventh, Alt plus Tab to switch different apps open. And eighth, Windows plus Tab is equals to window will show all apps you have opened in a split way. And ninth, Windows plus Shift plus S is equals to advanced screenshot, means it will provide you to take in screenshot in any angle directly you want. So advanced screenshot. And 10th, Windows plus V is equals to it will show all text you have copied. So this window helps you to show how many text, like we copy it again and again. So if you want to see everything that you have copied, so you can click on this button and you will see all the text copied. So I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. We'll meet in another video. Please comment down below on which topic do you mean, and this is part 1 on which topic do you want me to take. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Bye.